Hello, my name is Nate or Nathaniel Illusion Voice, and today I will be showing you how to do stuff with your pets. So, with your pets, you want to like there's different kinds. So you could have your buddy, which is this little reindeer right here, which is so cute. But you click on your avatar, and your avatar is the guy right here. You click it, and it'll come up to this page. So let's say you didn't have an avatar here. There'll be this paw print. You click the paw print, and then it'll show you all yours. If you have like a bunch, you click the arrow keys, and you can see all of them, and then like pick your favorite one. But my favorite one is this little baby reindeer. So then after that, that's your buddy, not your pet, your buddy. But your pet, you have to go down here to the paw print, which is the third from the M, and you'll click that, and it'll show you this. If it'll bring you to this page with all of your like pets, stuff like that. So then you'll have all your pets. So let's say you want to switch one. You'll click switch, and then you'll like tap this pet, and you'll click this pet, the dragon, his name is Dragic. And then you'll click Cloaker, and then they will switch. Like that. And then, so, boom. And then that's how you do pets. Thank you for watching my video about pets in Prodigy.